Mastering Prepositions. A journey through common prepositional phrases. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to our next exciting journey where we will dive into the world of prepositional phrases. Today, we're focusing on a review of common prepositional phrases in English. Are you ready to improve your language skills and sound more like a native speaker? Let's get started. Remember, a prepositional phrase is a part of a sentence that starts with a preposition and ends with a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. It works as an adjective or an adverb in a sentence. Let's take an example. I will meet you at the station. Here, at the station, is our prepositional phrase. Now, let's go over some common prepositional phrases and how they are used. 1. In time. This phrase is used to indicate punctuality. E.g., she finished the project in time for the deadline. 2. On time. This means at the planned or expected time. E.g., the train arrived on time. 3. At night. We use this phrase when talking about something happening during the night. E.g., stars are visible at night. 4. In the end. This indicates the final result or outcome. E.g., he succeeded in the end. Remember, context is everything. The meaning of a prepositional phrase can change depending on the situation. Practice makes perfect. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Try to make your own sentences using these prepositional phrases. 1. In time. Can you use this in a sentence about your morning routine? 2. On time. How about a sentence related to a meeting or an event? 3. At night. What about something you enjoy doing at night? 4. In the end. Try to use this phrase in a sentence about a difficult task or challenge. Take your time to practice and remember, there's no rush. Mastering prepositions is a journey, not a race. That's all for today's journey through common prepositional phrases. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and before you know it, these phrases will become a natural part of your English language journey. Remember, language learning is an adventure, so embrace every step and enjoy the process. Until next time, keep exploring, and happy learning.